Welcome to our channel. If you have significant medical expenses and want to claim them on your taxes, follow these step-by-step instructions to understand what qualifies and how to deduct them properly. Step 1. Understand the threshold. You can only deduct medical expenses that exceed 7.5% of your adjusted gross income. Step 2. Gather receipts for all medical expenses paid during the tax year, including amounts not covered by insurance. Step 3. Include obvious medical costs such as doctor visits, hospital stays, surgeries, prescription medications, and medical equipment like crutches or wheelchairs. Step 4. Don't overlook dental and vision expenses, including exams, cleanings, fillings, braces, glasses, contact lenses, and laser eye surgery. Step 5. Include insurance premiums for medical, dental, and long-term care insurance, but only if you pay them with after-tax dollars and they weren't deducted elsewhere. Step 6. Add travel costs for medical care, including mileage at the medical rate, parking fees, and tolls when traveling to medical appointments or facilities. Step 7. Include less obvious qualified expenses like smoking cessation programs, weight loss programs for specific diagnosed diseases, and certain home modifications for medical purposes. Step 8. Calculate your deduction using Schedule A. Only the amount exceeding 7.5% of your AGI is deductible. Keep all receipts and documentation in case of IRS questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.